this small building here, and I've just done a measurement, and it's 3 centimetres out of what's it called in English? Well, it's 3 centimetres out of plumb across the distance that I want to join, which is 2 metre height. So I don't really want to change the house. I think it's probably a waste of time trying to put it straight. So I'm going to leave that as it is, and instead the piece of timber that I'm going to join with it, this one here, I'm going to mark it up with a chalk line and simply cut off with the chainsaw the excess, and then I'm going to screw that post into this beam. Under that paper there's a vertical beam, so I'll leave that one as it is. I want it to be the correct 8 centimetre distance at the bottom here, because that's how I've worked out for the rest of the for that line there. Difficult to explain in words. It's much better for you just to watch the video and see how it develops. Same kind of vertical post is going to be here. It's a way of strengthening up this original structure so that it can take this new construction I'm making. All will become clearer. Okay, I made a slightly larger hole there because I don't want this to bite the, I want it to pull in. And this doesn't have the thread, it's threaded all the way up. It's not perfect, it's not ideal, so I make a hole first. Change the bits, let's see. Teeth 40. There we go. I want it to pull in really. Oh, this, I've used this one before and it's got a bit of damage. Have to try a different one that hasn't got any damage. The old timber is hard. Okay, well, it did what I wanted. I wanted it to pull in a little bit, and it's done that. Okay, so you see it's tapered all the way up. Good enough. another piece coming in here. So half of this is going to have to be cut away. So this is the first one I made, so you know, I need to check it a little bit. But I wanted that piece in there because I always put the beams with the bow upwards, because most beams, when they're made from solid timber like this, have a bow because of the way that the tree has grown, and I always put that upwards. So it kind of makes the structure pre-stressed. But the upshot of that is that because these are all done at a very precise length, that represents the difference in the bow. So by putting this in here, now I can put a compression strap on here and pull it down before I put it together. So the whole thing is under tension, it's pre-stressed, which is a good thing. Need a bit more leverage. I haven't actually marked up. Marked up where I want it yet. .6. A bit further north here, there's a storm. So it was 8 here yesterday, and so today it's +8. Which means that my nice dry cable strap here is getting wet. They dry out very slowly, these, if you coil them up together. It's quite nice to try and keep them dry if you can. Well, that's looking really good, and one of the reasons why I did this side wall here is because it's fixed to the old building, and I want now to put up this long wall, but I didn't want to put so much timber up without something to stop it from being able to fall over. And I don't have to do so many triangulated wind braces while I'm building if I do it this way. So that was my logic.